Okay, Akash. So, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we are doing like normality. Yes. And I said you to
Yes, sir.
calculate the what equivalent weights of some substances. Did you calculate all? Any doubt in that?
No doubt, sir.
All are done. Right. So here today actually we close this chapter. This is the last for day this chapter. Before that I would like to give some questions to you. So here you see there is one question on the screen. So write this question. Calculate the
Yes, sir.
calculate the normality of sodium hydroxide solution formed by dissolving dissolving 0.2 grams 0.2 grams of sodium hydroxide to make 250 ml solution to make 250 ml solution. I have written.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, do this one.
So 40 I got, sir.
40. What is that equivalent weight? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, equivalent weight is 40 because sodium hydroxide they have given, no? So sodium hydroxide is equivalent weight is what? Gram equivalent weight is equal to what? Molecular weight by basicity. Sorry, if it is base, that is acidity. Yes.
Yes, sir.
What happened? You continue with the normality.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The basicity of NaO it is 1, sir.
Yeah, it is 1. So that is normal gram equivalent weight is okay 40. Next. Now weight how many grams? 0.2 grams. No.
2.2 grams, yes, sir.
So weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by volume in ml. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo calculate now. After this, you have to solve this problem. Is it done, that problem?
How do you think, sir?
Complete.
So that was 0.02, sir.
0.02
02.
got the answer. Huh? 1 minute, I will calculate. Zero point two you should get. Why should get 0.02? Because normality is equals to, okay, weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by V in ml. This is the formula. Yes. Now normality is equal to weight. How much it is given?
0.2, sir.
0.2 grams is given. Huh?
Yes, sir.
By gram equivalent weight of 40 only, no?
40.
And then what is the volume of the solution?
250 ml, sir.
250. Okay. 250 ones are 254 sir. Yes or no? 4 ones are 4 tens are. Correct only. So 0. N is equal to 0.2 by 10. So that's equal to 0.02. Very good. Okay. Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now you solve this problem. If the molarity of 200 ml sodium carbonate solution is 0.05 normal, calculate the weight of sodium carbonate in the solution. So here what do you take here? This is a salt. Okay. So sodium carbonate is what? This is a salt. So here what you write is molecular weight by charge. Okay. Gram equivalent weight is equal to what? Molecular weight by charge. Because it's a salt, no? You have to take the 2. Divide by the 2. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So I have written some information.
Sir, can you show the question, sir?
If the normality of 200 ml sodium carbonate solution is 0.05 normal, calculate the weight of sodium carbonate Na2CO3.
Yes.
You have to calculate that. You have to calculate that.
Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir.
So calculate the weight of sodium carbonate. What is the molecular weight of sodium carbonate you got?
53, sir.
Acha, molecular weight is 106. And
Yes, sir.
uh,
Gram equivalent weight is, sir.
yeah, very good. So gram equivalent weight is equal to 106 by 2. So that is equal to 53. Very good. Okay. Now substitute in the normality. Normality is equal to weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by volume. Okay. Normality is given in the sum. What is the normality? 0.05. So write here 0.05 is equal to weight we don't know, but gram molecular weight we know, that is 53 into volume is how 1000, you write 1000, and volume how much it is given in the problem, 200 ml. Okay, so write here 200. Okay, so 200 ones are 205s. So now you this left with the 5 by 53, you bring this side. So 0.05, here numerator 5, denominator 53. So it becomes 53 by 5 is equal to weight. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now what we do? This 5 ones are 5 0.01s. Can we cancel?
Yes, sir.
Now we left what? 0.01 into 5.
0.53 is the answer.
So 0.53 correct only. Okay, so weight is equal to 0.53 grams. That's all.
Yes, sir.
So in this way you can calculate. Okay. Uh, so with this, normality is finished. So in this chapter what all we have done is, so we have done about the first mass percentage. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So once you see what all we have done in this chapter, so in the next test most of the problems I'll give. Okay, so mass percentage, next volume percentage we have done, next molarity. Okay, next molality. Okay, and next mole fraction also we have done, no? So in this chapter we have done mass percentage, volume percentage, molarity, molality, mole fraction and normality. So these all are the ways of expressing the concentration of solutions. Okay, so actually you will be studying in the 11th or 12th classes all these things, but as a part of okay, IIT Foundation, here we are discussing even in 9th class only. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So whatever the topics I told, whatever the numericals you have done, you all you practice, and especially formulas. Okay, like molarity, mole fraction. Okay, these all these formulas along with this chemical compound formulas also. Okay, like what is the sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Okay, sodium hydroxide, and their what is this acidity, basicity. All this you have to learn. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, in the next class we are going to start the new chapter again. When we have a test, so generally we will have a test. So I'll say in the test, okay, most of this time you will get a problems only. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Okay, today you can leave. Next after have one more class. Okay, bye.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Saturday is there also test, sir?
No. This Saturday we are not conducting. Okay, if we conduct, we will inform you. Okay, before only, right? Don't worry.